In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a complaint to Distrokid support. If you're dealing with missing royalties, rejected releases, a wrong artist profile, payment issues, copyright claims, account access problems, or delayed uploads, the best way to get help is to contact the Distrokid Help Center through their official contact form. I'll walk you through what to do and how to make your message clear so support can resolve it faster. First, open the Distrokid contact form from the Help Center on their website. This is the official support request page, and it's where every complaint should start. Using the form ensures your ticket is tracked and goes straight to the right team, rather than getting lost in general inboxes. Next, choose the category that best matches your issue. You'll see options like billing, uploading, artist profile problems, YouTube OAC, royalties, and account access. Picking the closest match helps route your request to the right specialist and can noticeably speed up the response. Now explain the problem clearly. Include your artist name and the exact release title, along with identifiers like the UPC or ISRC, so the team can pinpoint the right content. Add screenshots that show the issue, and paste store links to the affected pages if you have them. Describe exactly what's happening and when it started. If there's an error message, copy it word for word. Keep it concise but thorough, and avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or full personal details. Support doesn't need those to help you. When the form is filled out, click Submit and watch for a confirmation email. Distrokid typically replies by email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Response times are usually 1 to 7 business days, and it can take longer during busy periods. Check your spam and promotions folders too, just in case the reply lands there. A few common scenarios can benefit from extra detail. If your music landed on the wrong artist profile, try Distrokid's Fixer tool first. If it doesn't solve it, mention that you tried it in your ticket. For missing payments, attach bank or payment screenshots that show dates, the withdrawal attempt, and the payment method used. If your music was removed from stores, ask support which store took it down, why it happened, and whether you're allowed to re-upload once the issue is resolved. That's it. Use the official contact form, pick the best category, include precise identifiers and evidence, and then watch your email for updates. The clearer your ticket, the faster support can help.